Welcome, my dear students. Let's start our session today. Today we want to talk about fractions. In part 1, we will learn how to read and write fractions. Okay, let's start. Here we have a figure. This figure is a circle. It's divided to 4 parts. Okay, I want to express the green part and the yellow part using fractions. Fractions consist of 2 numbers, up number and bottom number. Okay, so we have a top number and bottom number. Let's start with the green part. How to write the fraction express the green part. How many green parts? We have 3 green parts out of 4 parts. So I write in the top the number of green parts. In the bottom, we will write all numbers of parts, which are 4. So I write 3 over 4 like this. Okay, 3 green parts. The green parts 3 over 4. So the fraction is a part of a whole. The whole circle 4 parts. The green part 3 over 4 or 3 over 3 out of 4 parts or 3/4. Also we can read it as 3/4. Okay, the yellow parts, we have only one yellow part out of 4. So I write 1 over 4. Or 1/4. The whole circle, it means 4 over 4, and it's equal to the whole one. 4 over 4, it means 4 divided by 4. It means 1. So 1 equal any fraction with the same top and bottom number is 1. 8 over 8, 7 over 7, or 4 over 4. Okay, let's continue. Now we want to express the shaded part using fractions. The first one here, we have only one shaded part out of 2, so I write 1 over 2 or half. Number 2, we have only one colored star out of 3, so the suitable fraction is 1 over 3 or third. Number 4, we have one colored heart out of 4. So 1 over 4 or fourth or quarter. Okay. So 1 over 4, it means 1/4 or 1 over 4 or 1/4. 3 over 4 is read as 3/4 or 3/4 or 3 over 4. Okay, now I want to write a suitable fraction. We want to write a suitable fraction. Okay, as we said before, count the colored part, then count the whole parts. Okay, so at first I want to count the colored part, the red parts. Here we have 3 red parts. 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 over 8. So 3 over 8 or 3/8. Okay. So to write a suitable fraction, fraction is a part of over a whole. So I count the red parts and write the number in the top. Then count all parts and write the number in the bottom. Okay. Okay. Another exercise, color according to the given fraction. Okay, the first fraction is 3/4. The second one is half. 3/4 means 3 over 4. Here I have 4 parts, so I'll color only 3 parts of them. 3/4 means 3 over 4. So I'll color 3 parts. Okay, here we have half. Half, it means 1 over 2. Okay, it means the colored parts are equal to the uncolored parts. So I'll color only 2. Okay, so here I colored 3 parts because I have 3 quarters. 3 quarters means 3 parts are colored out of 4. 3 over 4. Here half, so I colored only 2. The colored parts are equal to the uncolored parts. So half, it means 1 over 2. So we have some fractions. I want to write the first one, 4/5. 4/5. The first number is the top one and the second is the bottom. So I write 4 over 5. 3/9. It means, yes, 3 over 9. 5/10. It means 5 over 10. It's very easy. You can do it yourself. 2/7 means 2 over 7. Okay. Any fraction consists of, as we said before, a top number and a bottom number. The top number called numerator, and the bottom number called denominator. So we have numerator and denominator. Okay. The numerator here is 6 and the denominator is 15. 6 over 15. Let's take an exercise. Complete. If the denominator is 5 and the numerator is 2, then the fraction will be, okay, denominator means the bottom number, numerator is 2, this is the top number, so I write 2 over 5. Okay, and the fraction 9 over 13, the denominator is, denominator means the bottom number, so the denominator here is 13. Okay, that's all about our session today. We will continue fraction next session. We will talk about part 2, which is comparing and ordering fractions. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have understand our lesson today. Revise this lesson before watching part 2. Thank you very much and goodbye.